Ja sound. Rule 1, rule 2. Short vowel after ja sound వస్తే DGE యూస్ చేయాలి. Fudge. Fudge. U is short vowel. Bridge. Bridge. I is short vowel. Ledge. Ledge. E is short vowel. Ja sound. Long vowel or consonant after ja sound వస్తే GE యూస్ చేయాలి. Huge. Fuse. Vase. Vase. Plunge.
Good. Case. Who will come? Case. Large. Large. Midge.